are you, students and your parents? This is Maths for Grade 1 of Term 1, fourth week, first day lesson. In this lesson, we're going to start a new topic, right? Chapter 2 is about operations on numbers, especially addition of numbers and subtraction of numbers, and also comparing numbers. We'll see what comparing means. We compare numbers, amounts, and objects like that. And our discussion pages are page 21 and page 22. I'm Mr. Melissa Kitacho. Okay, before we start, let's see our objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify signs of addition, right? This plus sign, and subtraction, minus, in other words, and equal. And the other point is you are going to add one digit numbers, okay? Only one digit numbers. Before we start today's lesson, let's revise what we have seen in the last week lesson, in the previous week. It's about skip counting, right? And we have seen even and odd numbers. Do you remember last time? When we say skip counting by 2, it means when there is a difference of 2 between two consecutive numbers, right? Between 1 and 3, say for example in this order, between 1 and 3 there is 2, 3 and 5, 2, between 5 and 7 there is a difference of 2. And here between 2 and 4, 4 and 6, 6 and 8, all these numbers have what? A difference of 2, or you can say gap of 2. So in the case of odd numbers and even numbers, the counting is by 2, right? And also there is skip counting by 3. We have seen counting by 5 and also by 10, like that. The other one is we have seen even in odd numbers. What are evens? In odd number means when we say even, the numbers that end with these digits, and also when you say odd, they end up with this one. And even numbers, we can say they are divisible by 2, and odd numbers cannot be divisible, right? This is what we have discussed last time. Now let's see, before we go to today's lesson, and also I have shown you how the counting by 2, by 3, by 5, like that with this diagram. Okay, I have shown you this one. The first one shows with this red color shows counting by 1. The second one with yellow color is counting by 2, and the third one with green color shows counting by 3, by 4, by 5, by 6, 7, up to 10. Okay, here you have given counting by up to 10, starting with 1 up to 10. Here you can see, you can study this one as the counting, what countings with different numbers means. So let's start with this today's class under chapter 2, as I said, for operations. Okay, in this lesson we focus on operational numbers and comparing numbers, addition and subtraction of numbers, and on to these operations. The first sign, addition, when we say this plus sign, okay, addition is represented by this plus sign, and subtraction is minus. The sign of equal is this 2 bars, okay, equal sign. So I hope it's clear, right? Addition, subtraction, and equal signs. Now let's see, in this one, in this lesson, only we focus on additions. To add one digit numbers, hold the bigger number in your mind. You can hold the bigger in your mind first, and then start counting up on the number in your mind to the end of the second. The result of addition is called sum. Example, say for example, if I want to add 4 and 3, First, it says what? Hold the bigger number, 4 in my mind. And then I count 3, okay? I will count 3 with my finger, and then I'll hold 4. Now start counting to the end of 3. 4 in my mind, 5, 6, 7. The result will be 7. So the result or the sum is 7. From this example, 4 and 3 are called addends. Okay, we can say they are addends, and the result is sum. The result of addition is sum, as we have said. So this is addition. We will see what subtraction is in the next topic. Basic addition facts. Let's see the basic addition facts. Here you have, say, 2. You can work with addition with these real life objects. As you can see, here you have 2 balls. You can see red balls. Here you have 4 red balls. How are you going to add them? Simply by counting. Okay, by counting, you can find the result. Now, words and symbols to remember. Addends. The first ones are called addends. You add them, then there is an equal sign here, and the result will be sum. In this case, the sum is what? The sum of these two. 6. Yeah, 6 is the result. I can say 6 is the sum. The answer to an addition problem equals the number that you are together. There is also addition sign here. The other one is counting one. By counting, we can also get the result. Start with the largest number. Always when you add, students, bear in mind, hold the bigger in your mind, and then start counting the smaller. Now hold 5 in your mind. Now start counting. 5 in my mind, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then the result is what? 9. Excellent. Begin with the largest number, 5. Count on from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, as I show you. So the result will be 9 in this case. Now start counting for this one, for the second one. What is the result? Tell me the result, or tell to your parents. Okay, the first one, what's the sum of these 2 bottles? Here you have 5 bottles. You have 5 bottles. What's the result? Now let's count. 5 here, then 6 here, 7, 8, 9, 9, and 10 here. 10. Okay, so 5 here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The answer will be 10, right? 10 balls. The result is 10. In the same way, now try to answer this one. You have 6 green balls. Now let's count with this one. 2 white balls. 6, 7, 8. The result will be, or the sum will be what? 8. Excellent. Again here, you have 3 blue balls, 4 red balls. The result will be 7. Good. What about this one? Here you have 3, 3, 6, 7, 8 balls here. Here you have 8 balls. You start with the largest one. Here you have 8 balls. 8 in my mind. Now count. 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11. So the answer will be 11. 8 plus 3. It will be 11. The answer. That clear, students? Good boys and girls. Now the next one is a movie or a video which shows you addition. Okay, addition of numbers. addition of one digit numbers. So after you watch the video, we come back and do more examples and exercises. This model helps you how to add or apply addition with these objects and animals or fruits and vegetables, how you apply it addition on these real objects. Now let me show you. Here you have, say for example, you have 7 carrots here. So how you can do these carrots? Here I can put this carrot here, and also addition plus what you can say plus here plus let's say for example here how many ducks, the penguins, how many are they in total? Here you have 7 carrots and 3 penguins totally. By counting you can get the answers. Yes, 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. The answer is 10 in total. Okay, 7, 3, 10. Clear? Excellent. Now let's do another one. Let's do another problem is let's change it. I can change them. Okay, I'll take it. Now again, let's say here you have 5 rabbits, and how many? Here you have 8 fox. So what is the sum, or in total how many animals are there? First you start with the biggest, as we have said. Here you have 8 fox. Count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So totally you have how many animals? 13. So this is how you do addition. I can add one more. If you need. Let's make it like this one. You can change them. Let's change the animals. Here you have 2 lions, and let's say how many? Here you have 4 snakes. How many in total? You have 4 here, 2 here, 6. Right? How many? 6 animals. This is how you're going to add numbers, animals, or amounts. Okay, this is one example. The next one is your classwork. Okay, classwork. I'll give you one classwork here. Try to solve this addition problem and write the missing numbers. What is missing from this exercise? There is one exercise here. So try to complete the number that's missed here. Say for example 3 plus dash equals 9. What is missing here? What is missing? What number is missing here? How do you get it? By counting, try to find the number that is missed here. What number is it? And also here 6 plus 0. What is missing? 5 plus dash equals 10. What number should be put here to get 10? By counting again. Hold to 5 and count up to 10. So what is the number? What number should be put here to make it 10? That way, try to say for example here, let me show you one. Here you have what? 3. What number? If you count to 9, up to 9, to get the answer. Or you can subtract 3 from 9, or count to 9. Start with 3. When I count starting with 3, I will get what? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or let's count 1, 4. start with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what number is it? How many bars are here? 6. So the numbers should be what? 6. I write 6. So 3 plus 6 is 9. Again here, 6 plus 0 is 9. Again here, 5 plus dash. What number? 5, in my mind. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many bars? Here you have 5 bars. So the answer is 5. Since the sum of these two is 10, how many bars? 5. Just like I show you, try to finish it. You have 10 minutes for this one. After that, we will see it together, okay? This will be your classwork. Start doing, or you can pause the video and start, okay? When you finish it, yeah, we'll start together. All right, now let's see the answers, okay? Here is your answers, okay? Try to compare and relate with this one. The first one is 3 plus 6. Okay, what is missing? 6. So the answer is 9. Here, 6 plus 0 is what? Is how much? 6. Adding 0 to any number doesn't change the value. So the answer is 6. Here, 5 plus dash equals 10. What makes it 10? What number makes it 10? That will be 5. Here, 2, 8, 10, 0, here, 1, again, 9, 6. These are the answers. Now, try to compare and make corrections if there is any mistake. So, have you finished? Excellent. Now, let's proceed. Now, the next one is your homework. Before that, let's summarize what you have discussed earlier. As we have said, we have seen addition of numbers. Yes, we have seen what addition of numbers and the signs that we use in addition, and also real-life applications we have been doing with this model, how to add animals or objects with different fruits, vegetables, and animals by using real-life objects. We have been doing addition. So this was our today's class. So with this one, try to do the homework on page 22. Addition facts, 10. It says addition facts. Only the addition part, okay? What you do is on page 22, only the addition part. Try to do it. Next time, show you how the answers look like. So this is all about today's class. Thank you for watching and listening. See you in the next. Bye.